Hello, Eben Pinion here, and I have another review for you, and this is of a multi-tool. And this just happens to be the Leatherman Surge. This is the original Leatherman Surge. It's one of Leatherman's larger heavy-duty multi-tools. And it comes with either a nylon or a leather sheath. And as you can see, it's kind of similar to the Wave, just bigger. And there's a few differences, obviously. Now going into it on the outside, we have a nice one-handed opening straight blade, which is, they call it a clip point. And it's flat ground. It's made out of 420 HC, and it's just over 3 inches long, and it locks up with a liner lock. All the tools on the outside do. On this side, there's actually a very nice pair of scissors. Very robust scissors. And very usable, very nice. And on the opposite side, a 420 HC fully serrated blade. And again, flat ground, and then the secondary bevel, it's chisel ground. And then this is a different feature. This is what's known as their blade changer. It comes with both a wood saw, and there's also this little pouch that houses the three-sided file. There's the diamond coated file, the middle saw here, and then the coarse file. And you actually can open this up, take these out, and switch them about. So that's very nice. And other blades that use this same kind of shank you can also use in this, which is also really nice. It definitely increases its functionality. Opening it up, you do have the ruler, inches and then centimeters. And then a very nice, robust pair of pliers. You have the needle nose, regular. You have the wire cutters, hard wire cutters. These are stranded wire cutters back here. And then a wire crimper at the far end. Very nice pliers. Pretty strong too. So on one side, going into, we have an awl for sewing eye, and all the inner tools lock with this rocker lock feature. And then you have a small bit driver that has a Phillips and then a flathead. And then a full-size flathead. Then on the other side, we have the large bit driver with the number 1, number 2 Phillips and 3/16 flathead. And then the combination bottle opener, can opener with the wire stripper down here. And there's a hidden lanyard ring. Overall, this is a really nice tool. I really like this tool. This is one of my favorites. And for a while, it was my main carry multi-tool. And then I got the new Leatherman Surge, which I will be doing a review on. Anyway, I do highly recommend it if you can find it. It is discontinued. If you can find it on like eBay, it's a really good tool. But the new one's also very good, and I recommend that one too. and I will be doing, like I said, a review on that one shortly. But anyway, that's my review of the original Leatherman Surge. Thanks for watching. God bless.